Hello everyone from 42 Silicon Valley. My name is Sasha and today we're going to talk about the newest version of AlphaGo, 0. A lot of people are concerned that it's the first step to create the Terminator. Is it true? Let's find out. First, we begin with the history of AlphaGo. It's an artificial intelligence program designed to play and master the game Go by the DeepMind. The company DeepMind was formed in 2010 and has been bought by Google in 2014 for $500 million. But it didn't have any product. Instead, the value of the company were their employees, who, by the way, all have PhDs. Woo! The company is specializing in deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that was inspired by the structure of the brain and uses artificial neural networks. Basically, those are a lot of functions with input and output connected together. Neural networks learn by adjusting those functions to predict the right result. AlphaGo is a deep learning program. It uses a dataset of games in order to train. Each time AlphaGo plays with a human, it records this game and learns which movements were good or bad for winning the game. But this requires a lot of games, and hence a lot of people's time in order to build a dataset. This restriction is removed in the new version of AlphaGo, AlphaGo 0. Now the program doesn't require dataset and human interaction. AlphaGo uses GANs, Generative Adversarial Networks, which were first introduced in 2014 by a group of researchers at the University of Montreal. The main idea of the GANs is to have two neural networks which will improve themselves by competing against each other. Here, AlphaGo plays against itself and improves its neural network after each game. According to DeepMind statistics, in 3 days of training, AlphaGo 0 achieved the same level of proficiency in the game as AlphaGo Lee, the version that beat the world champion Lee Sedol in 2016. After 3 weeks, AlphaGo surpasses AlphaGo Master, which defeated the top 60 Go players in the world, hence becoming the best Go player in the world. AlphaGo did it without any previous game experience, just relying on the game rules and self-play. So should you worry about AlphaGo becoming powerful enough to destroy the world? Definitely no, it's not a Terminator. Only think about it. AlphaGo 0 is not that smart. It's only defined by several rules of the Go game. Maybe it excels at Go, but it cannot do anything else outside the game. Our value is our creativity. Sure, AI is more powerful to automate some repetitive tasks, but it's far from being self-conscious. To compare, our brain has 100 billion neurons, while AlphaGo less than 100,000. We are really far from being controlled by the AI.